Are you battling a nagging cough? Before you reach for the over-the-counter meds, let's explore simple and effective natural remedies that can soothe your throat and boost your immunity right from your kitchen. Welcome to the Wellness Hub, your space for natural living and holistic health. Subscribe, and together let's grow a healthy organic community. Now let's discuss the top 5 natural remedies for cough relief that you can try today. Number 1, ginger tea. Ginger contains natural anti-inflammatory properties. It soothes the throat, reduces inflammation, and eases dry cough. Slice fresh ginger, boil it in water for 5 to 10 minutes, and add honey or lemon. Number 2, honey and lemon. Honey coats the throat, easing irritation. Lemon provides vitamin C, which boosts immunity. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with freshly squeezed lemon juice in warm water and drink. Remedy number 3, steam inhalation with eucalyptus. Inhaling steam helps loosen mucus. Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to hot water. Cover your head with a towel and inhale deeply. If you also have the eucalyptus leaves themselves, put them in boiling water and cover yourself with a towel and inhale deeply. Turmeric milk. Turmeric is rich in curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound. If you have a persistent night coughing, warm milk with turmeric can help relieve. Take a glass of warm turmeric milk before bed, and this will release your nighttime coughing. Number 5, gargling salt water. Gargling with warm salt water reduces throat inflammation and also helps to kill bacteria. Do not forget to stay hydrated, to rest well, and to keep your airways moist. These small steps can make a big difference in your recovery. If you found these natural cough remedies helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more wellness tips, and share this with someone who needs natural relief today. The Wellness Hub, where your health blooms naturally. See you in the next video.